in the various ways that are conceived of these many universes existing, it's the case that they are unobservable in principle. The only universe we can observe is this one. These other universes cannot be observed even in principle.
One problem is this. Sure, you could say if there were many different universes, all with different tunings, then it wouldn't be too unlikely that our particularly fine-tuned universe exists. But for this objection to carry through, the objector actually needs to assume that it's true that there are all of these different universes. And is there any independent evidence that such universes exist? It doesn't seem to me the case that there is. I mean, sure, if you had enough monkeys typing at enough typewriters, then they could produce the works of William Shakespeare just by luck. But nobody looks at the work of William Shakespeare and goes, there must be a lot of monkeys with typewriters somewhere. In the absence of independent evidence that there is a whole typing pool of monkeys working away, everyone knows that the most rational explanation of the specified complexity of a text like Shakespeare's work is that there was a single designer who produced it intentionally. And the same thing goes for our universe.
There are some theories of physics which explain our early universe, which imply the existence of many universes. But we've no hard evidence that many universes are there. In order to have the hard evidence, we'd have to pass information from one universe to another, and we don't have that at the moment. So at the moment that's a philosophical suggestion, it's a metaphysical suggestion for me, rather than being a scientific account.
What if tomorrow scientists do discover evidence for a multiverse? Apparently this wouldn't necessarily account for the fine-tuning. Even an infinite number of universes doesn't guarantee that one of them will be just right for us.
Actually, even that wouldn't necessarily solve the fine-tuning problem. Simply by having a large, or indeed an infinite array of universes, you couldn't be sure you'd get one that was right for life. I mean, for example, there are an infinite number of even numbers. But never in that collection will you find a number with a property of oddness. So it's not clear that having an infinite collection means you've got everything you might want.
So does cosmic fine-tuning point towards a creator, a god? For some scientists, this is an unwelcome conclusion. Is this why they prefer to believe in the multiverse, even without any evidence? For John Polkinghorne, the multiverse only explains the fine-tuning, but believing in a creator God explains a range of other things as well. God or the multiverse? There isn't any evidence for the multiverse, and even if scientists do discover such evidence, it can't necessarily account for the fine-tuning. It seems as if one of the main reasons scientists choose to believe in the multiverse is to avoid having to believe in a creator.